where does the LPG in India actually comes from? And why is there a sudden concern around it amid the Middle East crisis? Did you know the LPG cylinder in your kitchen may have traveled thousands of kilometers to reach you? Because nearly 60% of the LPG used in India is imported. India is the world's second largest consumer of LPG, but it doesn't produce enough at home. In fact, only 40% of India's LPG demand is produced domestically. The remaining 60% comes from overseas, mostly from the Middle East. So where does India get its LPG from? Qatar is India's largest LPG supplier, providing roughly 30 to 34% of imports. Next comes the UAE, supplying around 26%. Other major important suppliers include Saudi Arabia and Kuwait, which regularly ship LPG to India. In recent years, countries like United States, Oman, and Australia have also started sending smaller volumes as India tries to diversify its energy sources. Why the Middle East? Gulf producers supply the ideal propane-butane blend used in Indian LPG cylinders. Plus, the shorter shipping distance makes transport faster and cheaper. Why this matters now? With tensions rising in West Asia and key shipping routes like the Strait of Hormuz under pressure, concerns about LPG supplies have grown. But the government says there is no reason to panic. Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri says India has taken steps to ensure 100% supply of CNG and PNG to domestic consumers, while industry will continue to receive 70 to 80% of their supply despite the conflict. So yes, global tensions may shake energy routes, but for now the government says India's kitchen will keep their flame burning.